Hello, I'm Jeff Jedras for Computer Dealer News. We're here at the Ontario Science Centre where AMD is launching its latest processor line called Fusion. The AMD design team has taken the GPU and the CPU and combined it into this one small piece of silicon called Fusion. AMD Canada played a major role in the development of Fusion. Of AMD Canada's 1,800 employees in Markham, Ontario, many of whom came to AMD with its acquisition of ATI, over one-third worked on the Fusion project.
These are new type of processors that combine the CPU and the GPU, the graphics processor, into one small, really small piece of silicon. And by doing that, we are able to offer much improved performance at a reduced power consumption and at very attractive, affordable price points. The value of our innovation is the fact that the GPU or the graphics processor is much bigger, much better than is available in competitive system. So by providing a much better graphics processor in this tiny little Fusion processor, we are able to process a new category of applications that are really about the visual experience. Very high-end graphics, the ability to play back HD video, and all in very small packages, netbooks, and other small devices. Eventually, the technology that we are unleashing here today will and could and will be used in tablets and small devices as well, but our initial design is really for netbooks and up, for devices with screens of 10-inch and up. So far, we've created two AMD Fusion SKUs, one an 80-watt E-series for notebooks and desktop machines, and the other one a 9-watt C-series for netbooks. So we can cover all the computing range from small netbooks to mid-range notebooks and some desktops as well.
You know, AMD obviously being leading the charge by integrating the graphics chip and the CPU onto one piece of silicon. It's going to be really important for future technologies. You know, we've got a lot of hype about tablets that are coming and shipping in the next 12 months. I think AMD's ahead of the curve in terms of where they're going to be positioning their products for future growth. Obviously, AMD over the last number of years has been in a weakened position because of the explosive growth of netbooks and the Atom processor. I think this is certainly going to be a moment for AMD to take charge of that particular space in the market, the mobile computing space, whether it be a netbook, a tablet, an ultra portable type device. This is certainly going to bring AMD back into the playing field for this type of user.
Ottawa software developer Corel Corp sees Fusion finally providing the processing horsepower to make everyday home video editing a reality for millions of users.
With the arrival of Fusion on the scene, everything changes. The barriers to video are falling, and it's happening at the right time. Fusion's timing is perfect. Take a look at the market. If you need a capture device, well, guess what? It's no problem. We got lots of capture devices like this one, and those made by our buddies down the road in Waterloo. We've got HD in our pocket now. Everyone can do it, and everyone can watch it. The last one about sharing, well, that's easy too. We saw a video from the web just now. You can see it on YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, all very easily. But it's that middle part that we've been missing until Fusion came.
The Fusion line is available today in new netbooks, notebooks, and desktops from vendors including Acer, Asus, Dell, Fujitsu, HP, Lenovo, MSI, Samsung, Sony, and Toshiba. For Computer Dealer News, I'm Jeff Jedras.